um, my dear Agatyar episode friends. Today I am presenting a water structure technology to all of you. This is the land. It is in Cheyyur, nearer to Chennai. Here we have installed a water structure device which supports the agriculture system of 80 acre of land. This is the land of Thiru P.N. Subramanian. He is residing at Chennai, and this land is having good water, but the water molecule is little higher. So in order to reduce the hardness of this water, we have installed a water structuring device of our crystal clear water solution, and our technical head Thiru Prem Kumar also is there. He is heading the Oasis water solution, and this land supports crops like groundnut, paddy, and other vegetables like brinjal, tomato, then other orchards like lemon, then other tree crops. This is the proposed area of this area, and the trial we began today, and this is about 1 year trial on structure water technology. It has a plantation of banana. All these things this will support. Here even the former Thiru P.N. Subramanian is also on the land, and the farm technical skill workers are there on the field. Then apart from this, the supervisor of this region is there. Mr. Magesh is operating there the water pipeline, and this is the kind of area where we want to integrate water structure technology along with Nammalvaraya specification of multi-cropping for increasing the fertility of the soil and health of the soil. Apart from this, we have proposed here to support almost more than 15 varieties of crops. This land we are considering 10% of the existing water storage system, then 35% our farmer he want to convert this land into a perennial orchard, and remaining 55% of the land we want to convert into field crop. Here we are using the permaculture principle for designing this land for long run, and here our technical head Prem Kumar is demonstrating the water structure device, how it's working on the land. So anybody really wanted to install this device, you can contact our office to the number 9444781692, and also you contact our members in around Chennai, and you can contact our office in Kodambakkam and Chennai office. Thank you very much for watching this water structure technology. This device is a length of 27-inch vortex, and it is 4-inch dia. The distribution of water is 3-inch delivery, and it has about 10 kg weight. This is the specification. Mainly this device installed here to break the molecules into nanoparticles. The advantage of this technology is to reduce the water input and other agriculture inputs. Also it increase the yield of the crops. The average yield on the cereals and other like for oil seeds and all, it gives about 38% increase by adopting this structure of water device. Apart from this, in greens and vegetable, this device increase the yield more than 45%. Therefore, a farmer can adopt such technology along with the multi-cropping green leaf plantation and biofertilizer crops. Then they can use effective microorganisms along with this technology. Therefore, thereby they can accelerate the conversion of this inorganic fertilized land into organic fertilizer, and they can very well they can bring back the quality of the soil health, and also can increase the other water, like the water savings, increase the yield, other pest and disease control. So many benefits there with a small technological adaptation. So all farmers, you can make use of this kind of technology, and this life of this instrument is almost more than 15 years it works, and it will be very useful technology to most of the farmers in India. Thank you very much.